According to an Inquirer story, Mark A. Villar, the former Chief of Public Works and Highways, has committed to working for the Mega Bridge Master Plan project, which will connect the island regions of Luzon Visayas and Mindanao through land travel. How was this plan designed, and how long will it take to complete? Stick till the end of the video to find out. Hello and welcome to Mega Projects, where we discuss the most mind-blowing facts about some of the mega projects of the world. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you won't miss future updates. Without further ado, let's get straight into this. A little overview. The Philippines is a 7,640 island archipelago. The cost of transporting commodities inside the country has been high due to a lack of infrastructure investment over the previous 5 decades. The San Juanico Bridge, which opened in 1969 and spanned 2.1 kilometers, is still the world's longest bridge 50 years later. With President Rodrigo Duterte's Mega Bridge Project, a series of short and long-span bridges joining island provinces to connect Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao by land, this will no longer be the case. The proposal calls for constructing small and long-span bridges to link the island areas. According to Villar, 8 bridges are already in the advanced phases of development under the master plan. These are the bridges: Panay-Guimaras-Negros City Offshore Connector Bridge, Bataan-Cavite Interlink Bridge, Panay-Guimaras-Negros Link Bridge, Gicam Bridge, Panguil Bay Bridge, Cebu-Mactan Bridge, and Coastal Road Construction. 3 Tiwi-Tiwi Bridges, Samal Island Davao City Connector Bridge. These projects, including those that have not yet begun, are expected to be completed between now and 2031. According to Villar, completing these projects would improve the lives of Filipino residents and increase inter-island connections. What to expect? Several projects under the plan have subsequently been finished or started, even though the initiative was officially canceled in 2019, according to Rappler. The Department of Public Works and Highways, DPWH, updated details on the project in their annual infrastructure program for 2021 as recently as April last year. According to its plan, the Inter-Island Linkage or Mega Bridge program will complete at least 12 additional bridges over the next 10 years. This mega project has its eyes on all of the Philippines, and they hope to achieve all these targets by 2031. The connectivity of people will increase with these bridges, and once they are done, there will be a whole network of roads through which the residents can travel the whole of the island. The 3-kilometer Panguil Bay Bridge, which connects Tubod in Lanao del Norte with Tangub in Misamis Occidental, is one of the projects that would considerably increase traffic between island provinces. Its goal is to cut the travel time between the two cities from 2.5 hours to only 7 minutes. Furthermore, the 32.15-kilometer Bataan-Cavite Interlink Bridge will make travel between Naic, Cavite, and Marivel's Bataan much faster. The North Channel and South Channel bridges span 400 and 900 meters, respectively, will be built as part of this project. After completed, travel between these two cities will take only 40 minutes instead of the typical 5 hours. Mark has high hopes for these projects, and he believes for the people of the Philippines, it is a way forward. We shall continue supporting the Inter-Island Master Plan because we believe every Filipino deserves inter-island connection. It's past time for Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao to be connected by land, he remarked. In our efforts to better the lives of Filipinos, infrastructure that promotes inter-island connection should be given high priority. This will result in a legacy of constructing bridges that will link and improve the lives of Filipino people, Villar said, who now is running for senator in the May elections. Cebu's transportation and mobility infrastructure is planned to improve dramatically as a result of the program, notably with the Panguil-Guimaras City Offshore Connector Bridge and the Cebu-Mactan Bridge and Coastal Construction Project. The Cebu-Mactan Bridge and Coastline Construction Project will include a 3.3-kilometer bridge with a 2.93-kilometer raised viaduct and a 4.9-kilometer coastal road expressway with a 4.571-kilometer elevated viaduct. travel time from Mactan Cebu International Airport to the Cebu Port area would be reduced from 4 to 5 minutes to 25 minutes after the project is done. The 1.2-kilometer Panglao-Tagbilaran City Offshore Connector Bridge would link Bohol to the island municipalities of Panglao and Dawes, reducing travel time from Tagbilaran City Seaport to Panglao Island from 4 to 5 minutes to 15 minutes. Mobility will urge economic growth. The Mega Bridge Master Plan project is part of the Department of Public Works Build program, which aims to boost economic growth, increase mobility, and generate jobs for Filipinos. Several of the program's projects, including the Skyway Stage 3 and the C5 South Link Expressway, are now fully or largely completed, leading to increased demand for homes near these infrastructures. When it is easier to move from one island to the other, people can move freely without having to worry about being late for work, and because now people will have access to a new place, the residential places increase, and so will jobs. The Pan-Philippine Highway, also known as the Maharlika Highway, Tagalog, Dong Maharlika, Cebuano, Daling-Halingdan, is a network of roads, expressways, bridges, and ferry services that connects the Philippines' islands of Luzon, Samar, Leyte, and Mindanao, and serves as the country's main transportation backbone. Even regions where development is already taking place, such as those near proposed Metro, Manila subway stations, are seeing a considerable surge in demand for residential properties. Some facts about the bridges. The Panguil Bay Bridge will span 3.169 kilometers and connect the cities of Tangub in Misamis Occidental with Tubod in Lanao del Norte. Travel time from Lanao del Norte to Misamis Occidental will be decreased from 2.5 hours to approximately 7 minutes after the project is done, through the Tangub-Malave-Tubod Road or the Tangub-Kapatagan-Tubod Road. The 3.98-kilometer toll-free Davao Samil Island Bridge will service about 25,000 cars daily, cutting travel time from Davao City to Samil Island, Garden City from 30 minutes to 2 to 5 minutes. The Panay-Guimaras-Negros Bridge, which spans 32.47 kilometers, will link the islands of Iloilo, Aklan, Capiz, Antique, Guimaras, and Negros. The journey time from Iloilo to Buena Vista and Guimaras will be shortened from 4 to 5 minutes to approximately 10 minutes after the project is done. In addition, the time it takes to go from Guimaras to Pilipandan in Negros will be cut in half, from 60 minutes to only 50 minutes. The 4-lane Bataan-Cavite Interlink Bridge will run 32.15 kilometers from Mariveles, Bataan, to Naic, Cavite. The North Channel Bridge and the South Channel Bridge will be built with major spans of 400 meters and 900 meters. Travel time between Bataan and Cavite will be reduced from approximately 5 hours to just 40 minutes once the Bataan-Cavite Interlink Bridge is completed. The Cebu-Mactan Bridge and Coastline Construction Project will include a 3.3-kilometer bridge with a 2.93-kilometer raised viaduct and a 4.9-kilometer coastal road expressway with a 4.571-kilometer elevated viaduct. Travel time from Mactan Cebu International Airport to the Cebu Port area would be decreased from 4 to 5 minutes to approximately 25 minutes after the project is done. Bohol will be connected to the island municipalities of Dawes and Panglao by the 1.2-kilometer 4-lane Panglao-Tagbilaran City Offshore Connector Bridge. In 2018, work on the 242.7-meter long short span bridges and its 1.3-kilometer approach road began. The Panglao-Tagbilaran City Offshore Connector Bridge will cut travel time from Tagbilaran City Seaport to Panglao Island in half, from 4 to 5 minutes to 15 minutes. 3 bridges in Tewi-Tewi will be built in collaboration with the Asian Development Bank. The 540-meter Nalio, Siki-At Bridge, the 569-meter Tongsina, Panay-Guimaras Bridge, and the 680-kilometer Malasa, Lupa-Pila Bridge. The 1.208-kilometer Gikem Bridge will span the Canalizo Strait, connecting Olutanga Island to the Zamboanga Peninsula. This is part of the Mindanao Road Sector Master Plans, improving growth corridors, the Bohol Leyte Bridge, the Cebu-Bohol Link Bridge, and the Luzon Samur Bridge are all part of the master plan. This mega project is one of the biggest ones right now, and once it is completed, people will have safe travel and a secure job. Thanks for watching the video. Put your comments below in the comment section, and don't forget to share.